Thursday, December 5th, 3:08 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. This is part 2 of the day trading series video. So if you haven't, please watch part 1 so you understand how this is related. Part 1 is when I was showing pre-market what I was expecting and looking for price action to be tested for trade ideas. And now I'll show you how it played out. Top will be the time. 6 grids. So 0739 New York time. Again, New York stock opens 9:30 p.m., but the futures were open to trade. 3 grids. Top right, daily, ES. Top center, ES 4 hour. Top left, 1 hour. Bottom left, 5 minute. The middle center, 15 minute, and the bottom right is the cash index feature, the cash index, which doesn't open until 9:30. Okay, so top right, right off the bat, see that yellow candle? Simply means we didn't take out the higher or low of the prior day. Indecision still. Looking here at the 4 hour, I mentioned earlier we had these tiny little candles, little bodies, possibly distribution. Labeled midpoint in that big wick on the top. Labeled midpoint of this big wick down there. And this was that gap, the top of that candle, the bottom of that candle. The gap didn't get filled, but we did do some testing of it overnight. And a big round number up top, 6,100. On the 1 hour, you see also overnight huge consolidation. Not much price action, making up why it's a tight candle like that. And down here, 15-minute, the Asian session, the London session. Again, I mentioned the London session made a higher high, higher low than the Asian session, but we were still trading inside the London session at that time, 0739. Let's continue forward. 0845. Yep. Again, this 4 hour candle gets done at 9 a.m. So I've been 15 more minutes. And we also here on the 15-minute, look, we broke above the London high. Still trading back inside of it, but broke above it. 0927, 3 minutes before the cash market opens here. Again, this already finished that 4 hour candle on the left, that green one. And this new one here is the one that's from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Notice something? They're both green, higher high. So buyers are willing to step in up there, come up to that midpoint right there, that big wick. Concern levels, price levels up there, down here. Let's continue. 10:04. Yep, after the big time frame, 10 o'clock, 10:04. Look what we did here on the 1 hour. Again, that's the new 1 hour candle. We broke above that swing high. Up here on the 4 hour, we broke above that swing high and above big round number 6,100. Also on the daily ES, look at that, broke out of the prior day high. So buyers are willing to step up their higher prices. As you can see here for the cash index too, the 15-minute and the 5-minute. I did not place any pre-market trade yet. Nope. And here, this was my concern. Broke above that key level, broke above that key level. Looking for a potential trade off of those. Looking at the faster time frames down here. The 5-minute and the 1 minute. 10:11. Remember that big 5-minute candle, followed by inside candle, broke below it. I went bearish. I took a short. Yep. And look at this. Again, this 15-minute candle, it's white. It's not done. Gets done in 3 more minutes. Yeah. Huge bearish pin bar. And again, when it's a white candle, it means open and close the same price. Again, it wouldn't get done to 10:15. But I was thinking bearish by looking at all these. Patience. Again, key level on the 5-minute was this gap here. My thought was it's testing. It's going to test inside, and my target would be in there. And if we break below, that'd be great. Well, went down real fast. I moved my target down to make some more gains, but it moved so fast, closed it for a target. Profits. Yep. Getting that 5-minute candle. Huge reversal. Nice. Inside candle, indecision, reversal. Nice. So that was my first trade and my only trade I took the morning. It was profitable, fast, nice. Yeah, look at this. Remember that big white candle this was? Now it went red. Deeper. 1033. You're the 1 hour candle. Huge rejection already, engulfing all these, forming a bearish engulfing. And look at here. I closed out in that 5-minute candle. That green candle, I missed the re-entry. It's going short. Again, when it went that midpoint, I drew that red zone. It was midpoint of that big red candle. Yeah, I'm really disappointed I missed it. I left a lot of money on the table. So you can see what happened. Green, rejection, huge dump again. Stinks. And you can see here on this 1045. So this 1 hour will be done in 15 minutes. And you can see what it hit for me here. Bullish pin bar on the 15-minute. And now we're in this consolidation phase. Big green candle, almost a bullish engulfing. So my thought was, going to look up here, potential bearish trade, potential short. Sitting on hands. Instead of taking the bullish trade, I didn't want to because, again, I was leaning more bearish buys for the day. Thinking it might be more panic sellings. I'd rather look for the more of a setup. And that was why I was looking for here, possibly short. 1055, look at that. Still consolidation, building a lot of energy, resting there, building a lot of energy. So again, my confidence was, my presumption was it was still going to go up here and look for opportunity to be trading short. Or if I see something different, breaks and close above there, maybe trade long. And then here on the 15-minute, huge gap down right there, that gray zone. Another reason I'm expecting a retest in there. 11 o'clock, tap the hour. So new 1 hour candle here. And look, that 4 hour candle came down and tested this gap as I expected. Look at the 5-minute here. Big consolidation. Continue on to the next. 11:20. Look at that 5-minute candle. As expected, broke above that yellow candle, that yellow line, testing this zone. So I'm looking here for a potential bearish trade, depending if it closes in or above. If not, it can be a bullish trade. And then looking here on the 15-minute. This 15-minute would be done in another 10 minutes. 4 hour candle, yeah. Again, little tiny body, they're very suspicious, leaning more bearish bias. 11:30. Well, look at that. We continue going higher, and I didn't take any trade. So didn't take the bullish trade because right there, see how it closed above. I was still hesitant, so missed out of it. Darn, and a huge 15-minute candle, big reversal. Again, trading bullish, I should have traded after that green candle got done right there, and that green candle did a wick there. Retest on the 1 minute. This is the 5-minute, but again, I would have done the entry on the 1 minute. Okay, 12 noon. Again, this 4 hour candle here gets done at 1 o'clock. 12 noon, new candle right there. So look at that. Inside candle, completes the new candle starting, indecision there. And again, continue going higher, grinding up. See this 15-minute candle right there? That big wick? I was thinking, okay, that's where it's going to go on the upside. Look for a pullback, look for entry. Well, again, see, I updated a few things, but it was already late in the day, mid-time, down trading enough eyes on the screen. So shut down, walked away. Didn't lose, took one trade. It was a nice profit. Left a lot on the table because remember, I closed there and left a lot on the table. Let's go look at the current situation. Okay, 4 hour candle. That green candle, that's the one that got done at 1 o'clock. And this candle here, yellow one, inside candle, is the one that started at 1 o'clock. It's done at 5. So we saw what happened. Big reversal in the morning, went down. And now we got this inside candle indecision. And look at the 1 hour. Tested this key levels. Didn't come all the way down here yet. See here on the 5 minutes. Yeah, if I took that long there on that breakout, did a retracement consolidation, went up even higher. And on the 15-minute. Yep, remember this? I mentioned that. So looking to get retested. So again, if I took that long here, that could have been a target on the upside and opportunities. Nice. Can't catch every trade, you know? Opportunities. There's always another trade. Thank you as always for spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.